Want to start your professional journey while still in school? Today, we're diving into the world of student freelancing. It's about more than just extra cash. It's about building a career before you even graduate. First, identify your skills. Start with beginner-friendly options like writing, basic design, or social media management. Use free resources to sharpen these skills until you're confident enough to offer them to clients. Time management is your superpower. You must schedule your freelance work around your lectures and exams. Tools like Trello or Notion can help you stay organized and meet every deadline without stress. Next, choose your platform. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find your first gig. Create a profile that highlights your student status as an asset. Showcase your energy and up-to-date knowledge. Don't have clients yet? Build a portfolio with personal projects or volunteer work to prove your value. A visual representation of your skills is often more convincing than a long resume. Getting that first client is the hardest part. Be persistent and send personalized proposals. Clear communication and professional etiquette will help you win over clients early on. Always prioritize your studies. Freelancing should enhance your education, not hinder it. Learn to say no to projects during exam season to maintain your academic performance. Be realistic about income. In the beginning, you're trading lower rates for experience and reviews. As your portfolio grows, so will your rates. It's a marathon, not a sprint. A dedicated workspace can boost your focus and separate your work life from your student life. Understand how payment systems work on your chosen platform to ensure you get paid on time. Start managing your earnings wisely. It's a great lesson in financial independence. Network with other freelancers and professionals in your field to find hidden opportunities. Soft skills like resilience and adaptability are just as important as your technical abilities. Once you graduate, you'll have a years-long head start over your peers. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to steady work and referrals. Briefly familiarize yourself with basic freelance contracts and local tax obligations. Don't burn out. Take breaks and ensure you still have time for a social life. Many students turn their freelance gigs into full-time businesses or dream jobs. You will face setbacks, but every challenge is a learning opportunity. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Freelancing as a student is a game changer. Take that first step today and watch your future unfold. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips and tell us in the comments, what skill are you starting with?